their libero and their middle blocker in Cruz.
In the meantime, first point of the match belongs to Capital One on his service ace.
That was the first service ace, Krasnogor.
And we're just beginning to fill up this place here in Victorias City. It's about 45 minutes away from the airport, about an hour away from Bacolod. In the meantime, Micaela Bilen, earlier, Lexi Rodriguez was the one who chatted with her. This first strike, ang hirap din bantayan talaga ng Kaliwete. That's why Tubo is so hard to stop in that pin.
And minsan din sa mga opposite sets, if you're a left-handed spiker, it's usually low and fast. Kaya napapansin natin, madalas na iiwanan sila one blocker lang na
Riri Meneses, the former UST center of power, because she was manning that middle so well. That's blocked, but kept it in play, and they swing it high. And as sinasabi ng mga coaches, when you give a free ball, make it sky high. But this blast, handled well by the back row. Back row attack, no problem. First long rally, ginawa ng paraan ni Tubo. Quick. Magmimerienda ba muna tayo? Matapos ito. Ayun, kept alive. Tagal ito.
oh, still alive.
Oo nga. Tubo. Romero.
Wow,
Ha?
good defense.
10 passes na ito. Ha? Mahigit. Sige. Dikit sa net. Nabor. Adjust.
Oh, nabitin!
Oh, yes.
But nagawa ng paraan. We saw her approach na hindi niya ina-expect yung pipe attack na yun.
System nag-failed and somebody was not in a proper position there. Track down. And it's on the floor. Frankfurt gets its fourth point. Turbino will be in the spotlight to serve. 14-11. Good stretch for the ball from the back row. Too hot.
Ganda ng back row na yun for Royce Tubino. Back-to-back points for Farm Fresh.
Meron certain muscles sa volleyball you really don't need it. But this one, she's perfectly toned for the game now. Kaya lakas ng output niya. In the meantime, this set, good set up, tinaas, hinabol ni Pepito. Sinara ang pinturo.
That was a very good block for Farm Fresh. Sarado yung cross court.
Gold medalist in the Brazil men's national team and the Olympics. Needing a timeout. Okay. Didn't know that. Anyway, here comes the serve.
Oh, good serve.
Yes, right into the middle. Oh, hindi na palo. Riri is afraid. The dig and Pahan scores neatly. We're tied at 15.
You will see here kung gaano kalayo yung defense nila. Kaya naman ang laki ng butas ng behind the blockers. Relax lang sila. Hindi sila na-pressure. They got one point at a time. And parang na-pressure pa doon yung Capital One dahil na-feel nilang humahabol na yung Farm Fresh.
Tinos sa likod. Hinabol ni Tubino. Itinaas ni Tololada. Tinaas. Really gets to it. Here comes the set. The attack. Off the hands and that'll score. Now just gave them a 2-point lead. Inside the open spot. Tubo connects again. It's 2019.
Take a look at this. Then na-late din. Actually, yung middle blocker ng Capital. Aragalang now in for Farm Fresh.
Oh, first time ni Ara to see action. And too hot to handle. 4-point lead on the threshold of probably taking the opening set. Corvino stretching to it, and it's now set point. Aragala now serving.
Oh,
Very deep on that one. Here comes a free ball from Adorador. Airborne. Tubo gets to it. Reversed by Romero. Caught nicely that time. And that'll work. And we are done with the first set.
good first set here for Capital One. Ganda ng start nila. They were able to close this first set.
Brought to you by Yakult. With proper diet and exercise, panalo ka dyan. Every day. first set ends at 25. As PBL on tour comes to its conclusion here today. First attack.
One-handed dig.
Lumipad. Inabot. And napatasan sa likod. And Pepito unable to keep it in play.
Look how fast this is. Hinayaan niyo muna tumalon si Rhea bago niya sinet yung bola. Kaya rin na-late yung blocker.
Don't forget, later on in the afternoon, Galleries will face Queenline. And this one is still in play. Nabor sets this up. And airtight defense now by Farm Fresh, sealing it, and they're ahead.
Bilis na dating ng bola sa kanya. Kaya nabantay na rin siya ni Trisha Tubo.
Late na, no?
One-on-one.
Mukhang 3 generations yung picture na yun. Oh, tulis na tulis.
That was Kai Cepada's first point.
Yeah, huwag mong gagalawin yan. Here comes Madrigal. Caught by Galang. Big shot. Ganda ng basa. Hataw niya. 1, 2, 3. Wala na. Late ka na.
Yeah. And nakita na rin Capital One, so that was a good target for her.
21-15 tally here. Dink. Kept in play by Polinada. Iris gets to it. Galang shoots away. Coming together in this game, ano? Pepito, the youngest, the rookie. Galang. Nicely done.
Ang ganda ng quick hit na yon.
So, Capital One. Ito naman, dikit tayo sa net. Cross is one against the grain there. Corvina says, keep it up. Kombinasyon. And we're done.
Diniin na lang ni Mylene pa at sa cross-court yung palo na yon. There was no cross-court block.
Philippines, #1 sugar supplier in many countries. In the meantime, back to sports. And quick point scored by Farm Fresh. 2-0. Uy, nagagawa yun. Into the back. Row. Good set. Huli. Ganda ng block.
Yes.
Jimenez.
I'm sure, Paneng, you've had experience with, let's say, the PBL. And what do you think when, you know, you're playing on a real conference and within an on-tour season?
13-12 po tayo. Twisting set.
Oh, that was too near.
Alanganin, ano? Pinalo. Doon na lang natin idaan. Parang second setter na rin.
Yes, usually kasi pag yung setter makakuha ng first ball, the question is who will get the second ball?
It should be parang automatic on the side. Right, egg on this team. Ay, dikit. Problemado. Ginawa ng paraan. Tinaas. Inabot. The set. The attack. Blocked. Lifted high. One more time around the block. Got to it. The crowd creeping into the action. Tagal-tagal ito. Second longest rally here.
Oh, tight set.
Ginawa na lang. In-over na lang. Hindi pinilit.
Oh! That was a smart move by Niegos.
Lambutan kaya natin ngayon. Hello! 6 straight points. Habang run ito. Belen and the others not playing today. Oy!
Over ball.
And they get a point by the oddest of ways, but they'll take it just to end that drought. 24-19.
Nice serve.
Ganda ng direksyon. Inside, 1 set point save. Big 7-0 run in this third, creating this gap in favor of Capital One.
Mababa yung set.
Yes, it was. This one is inside.
And they had a good first ball as well.
24-22. Sloppy passing there.
Oh, good defense by Galang.
Nabor. And That should do it.
It all ended by that opposite hit by Kai Cepada.
Who has been a contributor in the third set for Capital One. Fourth set, watch this last sequence, the final point. Farm Fresh managing to save 3 set points, but we'll take a short break to prepare you all. Get rest dito sa fourth set para hindi na mangyari yung mangyari sa third set.
Well, I think they had a lot of errors then nung third set, and one of the evident errors na nakita natin na medyo naka-affect din sa parang focus nila and mind.
Hindi malaman kung ano sasabihin eh. So then Coach Koji just said, okay, that's enough. We get back on the court. Let's sort it out. This one in play. Onto recovered nicely that time by Durendes. Nice set. But recovered by the back row. The strike. Yes, it's 3-0.
Good start by Farm Fresh.
Sa dami ng catch and throw sa araw na to. Nako, alanganin.
Oh! Miscommunication.
3 ball ito. Minder, palo. Maragino, palo. Yes, into an open spot. And saka matutulog din kayo. Roommates yung iba. Ugali ng bawat isa nakakikilala. Look at this. Farm Fresh re-establishing its authority in this game. Now, Tinaas. Off the block. Picked up by Marina. Pushed into that open space. Just happened to them time and again. This battle. But to be fair,
Of course, if you're Farm Fresh naman, you have this much lead. 10 points. Hindi mo napapakawalan to, especially you're down by 1 set.
on the other hand, if you're Capital One, yes. Chance.
Oh,
Yes.
short ball.
Oh. Kagulo kayo dyan, sabi ni Louie. One more time around the block.
I think the set was low for Arce.
24-12, set point. 1 set point save. And here we go.
Yes.
Why not? As sweet as the sugar from these parts, we're going to a delicious 5th set to decide on who will take this game on tour. Ito. Ano na no? Even Steven na ito.
Yes.
Do everything you can within your capability. 1-0 kagad. That's a good start.
Gaganda rin ang mga depensa ni Ara.
Oh, she's played a great all-around game. Regalo burned by Riri Meneses. Here comes Meneses serving at 3-1. Huli. Walang humabol.
Malayo yung bounce ng bola.
Sobra. Iris. Nice. Reverse. Here's Adorador. Kept in play by Rodrina. Oh! Every volleyball player gets that.
Take a look at that down the line hit. At ang taas din ang daan ng bola.
Sabi ni Ara, gising na to. Sinisigaw muna siya bago siya mag-serve.
No, pampakalma yun.
Ayaw, pampakalma ba yun? Off the hands. And look at this, Farm Fresh just turning on the heat here. In just a short while, Creamline and Galleries getting tangled.
Oh!
Don Gonzalez or Yellow Tornado will bring that to you.
But Pino Maraginot is one of the better servers for
Let's see,
Capital One. That was a sharp serve.
Lim. Tudu. Nice recovery.
Good dig.
It's Galang again. This is out of reach. But we have arrived at match point. Match point tayo.
Easy serve.
One hand on it. Chance to finish it up. No, not yet. And we are done. Oh, ito. Partner. Ay.
Meron ba?
Ay. Ah, sige.
There was a block touch.
Ah, sige, sige, sige. In the future, if we are loaded Capital One teams, one in there. Everybody back. And we are done. I don't think we're going to have an argument or a challenge with that. So Farm Fresh with a 5-set win